Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick pre-market video for October 10th.
Unlock your potential with a comprehensive suite of investing tools and expert education with GammaEdge. Start your free 14-day trial today.
Starting out with the tick US model, constructive look, day over day, continue to see progress higher on the railroad tracks higher short-term moving average ribbon, that is. In the cumulative tick itself, we do note that the longer-term moving average ribbon is still trending lower. However, you can see that it's flattening out just by the nature of this. It's going to take a long time for it to start to, flatten and progress higher, but this cumulative tick, a shorter-term signal, does look constructive. Filter tick, we did see a little bit of buying in the afternoon. New lows, however, continue to outpace new highs. So all in all, like Paul likes to say, don't get too far out over your ski tips. However, things are starting to look better in the near term. Not going to let me go to the ARCX, is it? Yep, here we go. Here's the ARCX model. Again, constructive cumulative tick trending higher, railroad tracks higher, longer term moving average ribbon, trending lower to sideways. However, the cumulative tick is starting to interact with longer term moving average ribbon, which is constructive. From the bulls point of view, kind of the sequencing that we're going to look for is this cumulative tick. First, we're going to break this longer term cyan moving average ribbon, continue to progress higher. Then the shortest term red moving average is going to flip above the cyan moving average ribbon. So constructive thus far, just need to see it continue. Morning call notes, these are posted in the Discord. You can go over these as you like. Not going to read them word for word. We already hit on the tick. Now moving into the SPXP full complex. Big thing to note is the net delta column green, starting to see a lot more green come through. This means that out of the money call speculators are opening positions, or put speculators closing their positions. You can see that up and down the chain. First thing note, transition, which is 43.15, 43.20. We are set to open above transition. Looks fairly constructive up. We do have some delta nodes, some negative delta nodes here and there. However, just be aware of that, but it is constructive thus far. Moving on to 0 DTE expiration. Again, we have in the money calls, in the money puts, dominating both planes. However, constructive support below us. Starting to see kind of a lot more green come in the structure again day over day. Thing to note, again, transition. We are set to open at near the top of transition, be constructive for bulls if we are able to first break and hold transition, then we can progress higher. 43.65 would be my target. Things to note are these delta nodes. What is that? 43.50 and 43.60. 43.65 coincides with both PlusX and COI to the downside. Really looks very constructive, just a lack of gamma down there, a lot of delta support down there, but however, if something was to happen, first we need to see a break and hold of 43.15. Here we're looking at the weekly expiration, again constructive, ton of in the money call support below us. Transition zone a little bit wider and looser, however we are set to open above that. On this time frame, we will note that PlusX is below COI. This is a flip from yesterday. It's constructive, more expected value when PlusX is below COI rather than vice versa. So again, here we want to see 43.20 hold. Work up for a target would be 43.50 on this time frame. Be cognizant of your negative delta nodes. However, on a weekly basis, things are looking more constructive. Then here we're just looking at the SPX AM and PM subtle complex. Transition is continuing to kind of tighten day over day. Go look back last week, is very wide and loose. Now it's pretty tight, well defined. We are set to open mid transition. Starting to see kind of more positive delta strikes come in day over day, looking constructive. 43.50. Want to see price get above this and hold this kind of for a longer term kind of constructive point of view. And I wanted to look at the landscape real quick. Here, landscape, you can see looks fairly balanced, opening right in the middle of transition. So, with that, best of luck today. See you all in the Discord in a little bit. Bye.